Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Dodge Challenger, and if you're trying to find the fuse for the power steering, stay with us. We'll explain where to find that fuse. Sometimes you may have 1, 2 or 3 fuses, and we'll explain which one of those to check, so make sure to stay until the end. Very helpful information will be covered today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage will be making at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. On that Dodge Challenger specifically, we will be taking completely apart transmission engine wise, and we have multiple ones which are the V6 and the V8, so videos will be coming very soon. Why we do all that, guys? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So specifically we have a 2018 Dodge Challenger, guys. Okay, we just got it here. This is specifically the 3.6. If you have one of those, we'll be taking it completely apart. V8 coming as well. So now right here, that's the fuse box. Okay, you have 2 notches that you need to squish towards each other, and when you do that, you can flip the fuse box to this side. Okay, perfect, like that. And actually needs to be this way. And if you pay attention, guys, okay, the numbers here correspond to the layout here what we have. So let's come a little bit under this angle. Okay, perfect. And let me show you which fuses, okay, we need to check now for the power steering pump. For the power steering, actually it's electronic power steering on some, and most newer models will be that way. So the first fuse that we need to check will be a 50 amp fuse. We're talking about that fuse right here. This is F3, guys. This is one of the fuses. Another fuse that you need to check will be another 50 amp fuse, and we're talking about that fuse here, the second fuse from left to right. Okay, so these 2 fuses are the one that you need to check for power steering. Then we have one more that's known as a power steering relay fuse, and this one, guys, okay, will be actually the 3rd fuse from right to left in that row. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So we're talking about that 10 amp fuse right here, the 3rd fuse from right to left. So if your power steering pump does not work, guys, electric power steering, excuse me, on your Dodge Challenger, we'll be making specific videos why it doesn't work, how to replace power steering, how to fix power steering. All that will be on the channel. We have many mechanical videos. We'll be taking it completely apart. If you want to get help with something, we'll get an idea for a video, just drop a comment below, and if we have a chance, we'll try to make that video. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.